Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Today's recipe is Chennai Marina Beach style Chana Sundal or Chickpea Sundal. They are simple, not many ingredients go into it, yet so delicious. These bring back my Chennai days memories. We used to go to the beach and enjoy these sundal along with the slice of raw mango with a lot of masala sprinkled on it. So yummy. The combination is so yummylicious. So today let's make this sundal, though they are plain just with tadka and grated coconut is added to them. These are usually made on festive occasions also in South India, especially on Ganesh Chaturthi. So on festive days you can make them plain, but other days if you wish you can add sauteed onion along with the tadka and also add other ingredients like spices. You could add small pieces of diced pieces of raw mango to it. They will taste really very good. But today let's make the traditional way, a simple plain sundal with tadka and grated coconut added to it. Chana Sundal or Chickpea Sundal. Chennai Marina Beach style snack. You can refer to the ingredients list which is shared in the description box. Now heat 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil in a pan. This oil gives authentic flavors to this dish. When it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry red chillies broken into pieces, 2 pinches of Asafoetida or hing. Reduce the flame and give them a toss. Allow the mustard seeds to crackle. Now add some curry leaves and 1 bowl of boiled chana. I have boiled the chickpeas, adding little bit of salt. Mix everything together. This is such a quick and easy snack recipe. Not many ingredients go into this. Just mix them very well. Add a little salt if required. Actually, I had added less salt to the chana, so I am adding little bit. Mix it. Now we'll cover the lid and let it simmer for a couple of minutes so that the flavors get infused into the chana. In South India, this is also prepared as a prashad on Vinayaka Chaturthi, which is Ganesh Chaturthi. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. Squeeze out little lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon should do. And that's it. Give it all a nice mix. And the sundal is ready. If you are serving it during non-festive days, you could also add onion to it, or if you wish to add some spices, please go ahead, but traditionally this is how it is just made. It's done. Chana Sundal is ready. Dish it out and enjoy. If you are a first time visitor, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.